Hey guys, welcome back to Makeupbyaaronx. So today I'm just gonna quickly speed this through. I am just applying my contour shades here and yeah, pull in these funny faces. You know, whilst watching Gilmore Girls, we all love a bit of Gilmore Girls. Always remember to go down your neck so you can get that chisel line around there. In the drag community, you need to make the shapes so it looks good. And don't itch your nose with a makeup brush like I just did. How embarrassing. So yeah, see, as you can see, I keep watching the Gilmore Girls, and we're going to go on to baking the face. This is where you apply excess amounts of powder to the face and you let it sit for a bit. And yeah, I like to use a darker tone on the bottom half of my face and then a lighter tone on the top for my highlights. That's just what I like to do. A lot of people just use one medium tone or translucent powder, but not me. I like it this way. So yeah. Always remember that when you do this type of thing, you will need to add a lot of setting spray. It helps meld the two together and melt it in together. Now we're going to grab a fluffy brush and the blush highlight powder. And obviously what I am doing is brushing off the excess powder whilst applying the blush. For me, I find that gives you an even coverage and it all kind of melds together. A lot of people won't do this, leave their bake on for a little bit longer, but I'm not comfortable with that yet, so I don't do it. But this just seems to be fun. Okay, so we're now applying nose contour, and this is just going to be a angled brush from the studio and my contour shade. I don't really talk about contour because I don't think I'm very good at it, so I generally steer clear of that. You'll see me having it done, but I don't think I'm very good with it still, you know. But yeah. See that face? See that face? It's like, oh yes God face. Oh, how. Okay, so now we're going to go on to just highlighting that little area. And for that, I think I use Camouflage in the white shade. And it's always better to do this. Go down with a nice lip liner brush, something small and thin. That way you get a more precise line. I always make the cocktail martini glass at the top, as they say, and fill it up like this. Looks weird to me, but then when you blend it out, it's all good. You should really do this whilst your face is not set with powder because it doesn't blend very well. But I managed to make it work this time around. But yay me, what up? See, I learned that you have to highlight below the contour lines as well. Funny that, didn't know that. But I don't find it works for me. But yeah. Anyway. Look at that, my babies are on the back. That's Simba and Kovu. The tan one is Simba and the dark one is Kovu, named after Lion King 1 and 2, obviously. And then my babies. See, I'm still going in with that contouring. I just don't like it. I hate contouring my nails. Yay, onto the eyeshadow now. So I'm going to take this Stargazer palette and mix this red and purple shade together. We are going to apply it to the outer corners and blend it around. Always apply your deepest shades to the outer and then blend it in. Don't apply more product until you need to. Just swirl it around and blend it over. Just like that. This makeup actually turned out to be one of my favourite looks I've done in a while. And it's mainly because I didn't feel any pressure to do it. When you pressure yourself, it becomes really hard to feel happy with things that you do. Like that, see, the power of a pause button. I love it. And now we're going to take this dark purple shade and on the outer corner, we are going to apply that. And this stamping motion, you get more pigment pale, and then you can blend it over. My voice is probably girl, but there we go. I don't do high pitch. And then I'm going to take this white shade to help blend the brow highlight. It's always nice to have it blended out because otherwise it just looks too harsh. And if you see people on Instagram with a harsh line, I'm sorry, but it looks stupid, okay? But look at that, stunning. And yes, I do fill my outfit like Gia gun size. That's the way I roll. So yeah, this is just repetitive. I am just going over the same thing, keep blending, and now we're going to cut the crease by the looks of it. Okay, so for this I'm going to take a lip liner and a lip lining pencil and the NYX white eyeshadow base, and all I am going to do is carve out my crease, and as you can see I open my eyes to stamp up top where I should go above. I'm not very happy with cut creases. I don't like them on my eye, but for some reason in recent days that's what I've been doing the most. So we're going to apply glitter. I didn't end up using that gold glitter, so ignore that. I used a silver glitter and a pink shimmer eyeshadow shade from the Under Your Spell palette from Makeup Revolution. We're singing now, okay? So we use that shade just there, see it? That one. And then I'm just gonna, what's the song we're singing? We're singing a song. Oh, it's the Gilmore's theme tune. We're gonna apply that with a flat eyeshadow brush and stamp it all over the eye and help shape the eye a bit more. Once you've got your foundation base down, you can then do it that way. So now we are gonna just quickly do a fade transition now. Done. What that? So silly. Look at that nose contour there, it looks on fleek. Now we're going to do a liquid liner. I love a liquid liner and I love watching the process of a liquid liner, but yeah, it is so funny. It's hard to do if you have to talk. So if you notice in my longer videos, I will pause the video and then it'll be automatically done. Okay, so now we're going to grab some glue, and this is a trick that I learned from Wigs by Vanity. Oh no, that's not this trick. We are applying glue so we can apply the glitter to cut the crease. Now, I've never done this, I have done this trick, but this is the first time it's pulled off really well and I love the way it looks. But yeah. Okay, so now we're going to just quickly do the other eye. See that? Look at that payoff. And now we're going to just stamp some glitter on the outer corners. I like to add glitter to the outer edges. I don't like it on the inners. That's just me. Drag queens do inners, but yeah, there you go. But look at that eyeshadow. Tell me it doesn't look stunning. So yeah, now we're back. We're going to now do the eyebrows. I don't normally leave eyebrows in this because I don't think I'm good at them either, and yeah, I just fill my brows in, I don't really do anything to them. But yeah, watch me paint them, I suppose. And then you get a spoolie brush, brush it through, and voila, done. If only it was that easy in real life, I tell you. I must have spent a good 10 minutes on these brows. I mean, these videos take ages to do. Ah, look, my babies. Take ages to do, but there we go. So now we're going to line the waterline with the Kiss of Death eyeliner pencil. And obviously it's a black shade. And if you know me, you know I love a black waterline. And days enough I was watching the Gilmore Girls. I have been binge watching the Gilmore Girls all week, and I'm still only just in season 3. There's 7 seasons, each season has 21 episodes. I'm so lucky, I can't wait. I like having it on, it's really fun. So now we're going to take that light purpley pink shade to the bottom outer corner of my eye. With an angled brush. And then you are going to stamp and then blend it in. Obviously, again, like the top eye, don't apply excess matte to the inner corner, just blend it over. Sometimes it can get hard because you want colour payoff, but this is how you do it so you don't get the stupid like black eye syndrome. And then you get a nice clean fluffy blending brush and you can blend it out and then add the tiniest amount of product to that brush. And you can blow it out of the outer corners. That's what I do. I don't like doing inner corners because I just think it messes everything up, and that's how we look. So now we're going to go on and do the really Lacura mascara, and these are siren lashes I use. As you can see, I've completed the eyes. We're going on to highlight. I love a good highlighter at the moment. I never used to, but it just gives me that little panache, pizzazz, whichever one it is. I think it completes the look. We're coming to the end of the video. But yeah, look at that. That's just wow. That's good. We're happy with that. Apply it to your cheek. I like to do mine just above the eyebrows and not the forehead, but I think in this video you see me go on to the forehead normally. Apply your nose, highlight, look at that. See, you can totally tell that's fancy with it. This is white eyeliner, and we are going to do white freckles, which I've got to do for some reason. I'm not sure why, but just look at it. It goes with this look. It's stunning. It looks like glitter particles. It's curry, it's fish, it's all the words you can explain or describe, and just apply everywhere. And this one is the collection one, and it's only $2.99, which to me is a good price for my eyes. That's what I think. If you don't want it, don't get it. You can do brown dots, but I think it goes perfectly. I like to add a little bit of white to the top of my pupil spray and the bottom of my lip. And we're going to take the colour Royal. No, this is Vamp Noir from Freedom Makeup. This is a lip pencil. And we are going to line the lips. And basically, I like to round my lips purely because I don't like the sharp points of lips. I think it looks stupid. It's still a purple shade with Vamp Noir, but colour. So yeah, as you can see, now I am going to go on to my lashes out. So we're going to grab this Royal lipstick from Revolution. I think it's the Rich Luxe Matte, whatever it is. And I do end up applying glitter. I'm not sure if I applied glitter in the video or if it's after, but I applied a purple glitter from Snazzy. And yeah, look, there's maybe gentle shade. Yeah, I'm just back up there. That's obviously it's always fun. You've just discovered all the pages rules. Back up in a minute. Just gonna get back up in a minute. Is he back up yet? He's not back up yet? He's not back. There he is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're going to come up for the final transformation. Are you ready for the big reveal? Boom. Done. Now tell me that their lips stunning. See the lips? I told you I did glitter lips. I did do it in the video, but there you go. As you can see, I'm feeling my fancy and I love the video.